So today's project is taking some of my ratty ass old logs and milling them up. They're still decent in the middle, but they've been sitting for several years, and this is one of them I milled up, so they still got some good wood in them. There's a little bit of rot in between the grain, but nothing too crazy. So this is the beginning of my hayloft barn project. All these shorter boards, I have numerous logs that size, about 4 to 5 foot long. Gonna get them milled up and dried hopefully by September. I gotta go get unload the kiln over there. It's got wood that's been sitting in all summer. It's probably ready to come out. But as you can see back here, I have more logs than most people know what to do with. But believe it or not, they've been sitting for like 4 years and they're still fairly decent. There's a couple I had to sacrifice to the fire pit. Gonna work on burning out a stump over there. But anyway, looking to make some nice flooring for the hayloft. I need about 1,000 square feet, and I got a long way to go, but I think it'll come out nice. I recently bought the machinery to tongue groove all this stuff, so we'll see how it goes and see how many blades I go through. But I mean, it's really cool to open up these logs and that look like they're not worth anything, and they still got plenty to give in the wood grain department. So we'll see how it goes. I'll be making videos throughout the whole project. It will be taking me a long time.